I'll punch Mother Earth in the face. I'm trying to drunk text while driving. Is dope as fuck a pre-existing condition? Chuck Norris punched my cat. What are you looking at? What, you ain't never seen a guy in your computer before? How to choke someone to brain damage. Colon hydrolysis. Always good in a search. The Women's Guide to Confusing Men. Why did Caitlyn Jenner take Bruce's last name? How to cure celibacy. Advice on lubricating 2 heroin balloons. The hieroglyphic alphabet song. The Bigfoot Sasquatch sex tape. How to stop the room from spinning. Did you hear about the moon? It's out of this world. Sexual manifest destiny. $10 for your very own Reginald Denny commemorative brick. Why didn't Debbie do the Metroplex? How to cure death. 256 hours of high school superlatives. Liquid nitrogen water pistol. Unwanted porn attention deficit disorder. Titty titty bang bang. Where's Waldo? How to cure celibacy. Alex Trabek is a reptile. The Kill Whitey Tanning Salon. Venereal Jeopardy. Every Doonesbury explained. 48 hours of paint drying. How to find your keys when you're drunk. Do you know Jack? Evading death in taxes. I don't know how to tell you that I'm speaking now. Get that guy's dick out the mashed potatoes. It's not that kind of party. Poison your boss on Labor Day. How to build a nuclear weapon. Sex toy rentals. Free money. Satan is a more responsive deity. Pin the tail on the junkie. The erectile metamorphosis. Godzilla vs. Woody Allen. The Grinch who stole my virginity. You'll all wipe my ass with your mom's obituary. The unofficial felonious guide to arson. Affordable anal. The most discreet spectacle. Junkie Dave and the weather forecast. I have a cold sore down there. How to FedEx a rattlesnake. Vegan recipes for the suicidal. Melania Chump. Yo, I'll straight punch your nose off your face. Harry Potter and the spell of statutory interest. Can you think of a better boxing name than George Floyd? The suicide hotline is my emergency contact. The old people with cottonmouth compilation. Old age home colonoscopy videos. Early onset creepiness. A Who's the President video for the illiterate. The tale of a Christmas dildo. Mighty Morphin gender neutral rangers. Spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious backwards. What the hell did they do to Michael Jackson's nose? Seriously. A full review of the future. Fun with Satan. The correct way to bite the head off a bat. A comprehensive list of powders for grundle itch. Hell's wishing well. How to motorboat the elderly. Snake Charmer the prostitute sings Beaches by Bette Midler. Do-it-yourself laser eye surgery. In the Nicholas of Time. High stakes, sober appetizers. Degenerative YouTube watching. That's you. Don't stick your finger in there. Geriatric loose skin. A divorce post-it note. That's it. Execute the kids. Mr. Bo showed me his jangles. Selling deodorant at a fish concert. I list these nuts. 867-530 crime. Managerial sexual advances. Cocaine septic necrosis. Instagram cocaine delivery. The nose knows. I'm homicidal curious. Monoatomic hydrogen splitting at home. Explicit windmill decapitation. My crack cocaine problem is escalated. Sexual ice cream. Cyanide fortune cookie. Passive aggressive striptease. YouTube pixelated porn. 10-hour medical erection. The Robitussin diet. Full-time nose job with benefits. For holding an illiterate book drive. Part-time sweatshop hours. Sexual picnic. Experimenting with harder drugs. Dysfunctional funk. Extracurricular pain relievers. Is anyone still down with OPP? Antidepressant rock throwing. Stake in, stake out. Dry hand job advice. Hard liquor, soft drink. Punish me, teacher. Specifically Mrs. McPeak. Recreational rock eating. Sexual roulette. Sex on the bitch. Little person rampage. Snorting outside the lines. Everything and 99 cents. Liquid nitrogen water pistol. Dollar menu meal combinations. Humpty Dumpty was on meth. Felonious parking. Arguing with preschoolers. Panoramic penis? Why is my head full of holes? How to tie a noose? Why can't we be Facebook friends? Dude, I'll punch you cross-eyed. Live in La Vida cocaine. A bourbon juice box. I use Febreze as cologne. How to walk your Jurassic pet. Same-sex pregnancy techniques. Indiana Jones and the crystal of meth.